I posted a video earlier this month talking about how life is like a spiral. Sometimes we're in the phase of life where we're thriving and everything is going so well, and other times nothing makes sense. And that's usually when we feel stuck and lost, unmotivated, and almost frozen. So today's tapping is going to center around that. It is going to help you spiral back up to get you out of that stagnant and stuck energy and to get you excited about life again. And I'm also including some affirmations or ask formations because this is a powerful way for your subconscious mind to look for evidence in your reality. Before we begin, all of my courses are on sale right now. There's my signature program, Become Magnetic, which is an EFT tapping course. And there are also mini courses and guides that will quite literally change your life. So check them out in the description box below or at the link at the top of my page if you're on TikTok. And whenever you're ready, let's get started. Let's begin tapping on the side of the hand. I feel so stuck and unmotivated right now. I feel so lost. I have no sense of purpose. Nothing excites me anymore. Even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Let's move to the eyebrow point. I feel so stuck. I'm lacking excitement in my life. Sometimes I feel like I'm trapped. I feel down and depressed. All these feelings weigh on me. It's so hard to find motivation. Collarbone. It's hard to move forward. It feels like I'm frozen in time. Even though I feel this way, I accept myself completely. This lack of purpose can be overwhelming. I feel these emotions strongly in my body. But it's okay to feel this way. I acknowledge them. And I'm open to the possibility of change. What if it's actually easy to get out of this funk? It's easy to move forward. All I have to do is make the choice. And today I'm choosing to find just a tiny spark of purpose. I am more than this feeling of stuckness. I can find excitement in my life again. I'm open to feeling better in this moment. Change is hard, but I can take small steps. There is so much excitement and joy in my life. And I'm opening myself up to see that. I can make progress even if it's slow. Why is it so easy to find my true purpose in life? Why is it so easy to be grateful for my life? Why is it so easy to find excitement and joy every single day? Everything is always working out for me. I am walking towards a brighter future, and I'm so excited for this journey ahead. All right, let's take a deep breath in and release. Let me know how that tapping was for you. How did you feel before and after? Share your experience in the comments below, and I will see you next time. If you have any requests, please leave them in the comments below as well. Okay? Bye.